Just so you know, I don't like wearing color, but because I'm talking about swimsuits, I might as well put on my only swimsuit and showcase it. But I'm wearing it just for the sake of this video. So, okay, let's go. Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 3 simple ways to fold your swimsuits. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, before we continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you get notified. It's a very simple process. It is. Trust me, it is. All right, so let's go over to my table so we can start folding. So the first swimsuit we'll be folding is a one piece. And the first thing you need to do is to lay your swimsuit on a flat surface facing down, like so. Because the swimsuit has no structure and has a few straps, next you need to bring in the straps so you hide it whenever you finish the fold, like so. You're basically just placing the straps or the strings in the middle. Next, you're gonna take the crotch and you're gonna fold that up, meeting the middle part of the swimsuit. After that, you're gonna take the left side and you're gonna fold that towards the center part of the swimsuit, and you're gonna do the same with the right side, like so. So make sure you overlap the left side so that the end fold will be pretty tight. Also, right now, you will be seeing a rectangle, which is my favorite shape, but you know that. Next, you're gonna take the bottom portion and you're gonna fold it to meet the top portion. So fold it about 2 times. Like so. 1, 2. You can, of course, play with it a little just to get it straight, but now you have this beautiful, perfect fold. I think it's perfect. And it's a rectangle, so you know I'm in love. Cute. All right, so the next swimsuit we'll be folding is a bikini. So basically 2 pieces. So if you watched my How to Fold Underwear, her edition, you probably already know how to fold this swimsuit bottom. But if you haven't, then I'll show you in this video. So basically I'm using the same technique as how you would fold a thong, but yeah, no, there is no but. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the top from the screen and just focus on the bottom. So the first thing you need to do is to lay it down on a flat surface, of course. And next you're gonna fold the crotch up towards the waist. Next, you're gonna take the left side and you're gonna fold that towards the middle, and you're gonna do the same with the right side, like so. Next, you're gonna take the left side and you're gonna fold it, meeting the other side, therefore folding it in half, creating this really cute fold. Now we're gonna put that to the side and focus on the top. As I mentioned before, you are going to lay the bikini top facing down. Next, you're gonna take in the straps. So basically we're just folding in the straps, hiding it, so you can tuck it into the back of the bikini top, like so. Next, you're going to bring in your bikini bottom and you're gonna place that inside the cup. Not only will this hide the bottoms when it's folded, it will also prevent your cups from damaging over time. Next, you're gonna take the left side and fold that over the bikini bottom, and then you're done and you have this cute little piece. To protect it a little further, you can always omit the last step, which was folding it in half, and you can just place it down in your drawer with the straps hidden under the bra. And you can also take the bikini bottom and hide that under one of the cups. So the next swimsuit we'll be folding is another one piece, but this one piece is a little different because not only does it have a bra form in it, it also doesn't have as many strings as the first one piece. So the first thing you need to do is to lay your swimsuit on a flat surface facing down, like so. When it comes to swimsuits, because the material is a bit flimsy, a good rule of thumb is to always try to create some type of rectangle square. That's gonna ensure that your end fold is pretty tight and precise. Focusing back on the one piece. Next, you're going to hide the straps. So basically you're just gonna fold down the straps and you're gonna tuck it into the swimsuit, like so. Just tucking it in. Next, you're gonna take the crotch portion and you're gonna fold it up halfway. Next, you're gonna take that folded portion and you're gonna fold that up, meeting the bottom of the bra form, like so. And as you can see, there is some extra material on the side. So what you can do is just tuck that in, because again, the goal is to create a rectangle, like so. I already see the rectangle, do you? Next, you're gonna take that fold and you're going to fold it up, covering the cup area or the top portion of the swimsuit. You're gonna flip that over. You can always take it a step further and tuck it in a bit, tuck in that extra material, and then you end up with this. So if you have a few swimsuits that are similar to this one, you can always fold them the same way and lay them in your drawer, basically stacking them. And then every time you open your drawer, it'll look like you're in a boutique. So even though this is 3 simple ways to fold swimsuits, I will be adding one more folding technique just for you. So this is a bonus fold. The next swimsuit I'll be folding is a bikini, but this bikini is a bit different than the first bikini because there is no bra form. So because you already know how to fold a bikini bottom, there's no point for me to show you how to fold this bottom on screen. So we'll just focus on the top. So as I've mentioned many times already, make sure you lay it down on a flat surface facing down. Next, you're gonna take the straps and you're gonna fold it into the top, like so. Basically, the goal is to hide it. Next, you're gonna take the left side and you're gonna fold that over past the center point. And then you're gonna take the right side and you're gonna overlap the left side, like so. This is gonna ensure that the final fold is pretty tight. And of course, you must adjust. Then you're gonna take the top portion and you're gonna fold that down, meeting the bottom portion, like so. And then you are done. Look at that, cute, huh? And then after that, you just bring in the bottom portion and you can lay this in your drawer accordingly. So you can basically stack it, you can file fold it, file stack it, and then you're done. You can also take it a step further and place it in some type of ziploc bag. So whenever you are ready to use it, you just grab a ziploc bag and use a bathing suit of choice. So these are just 3 simple ways that I like to fold swimsuits. And of course, there's so many ways you can fold swimsuits, but these are just simple ways that can help you fold them, fold yours right now, today. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.